Welcome to Penny Flow, where we talk about money, wealth, investing, and management. And in today's video we will be talking about best credit cards. Please make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video. Best credit cards. Number 1. Blue Cash Preferred Card from American Express. American Express Blue Cash Preferred Card is a common, regular card providing a high rate of rewards for transactions from grocery stores, streaming, transit, and gas stations. Amex is known for its high credit limits, and this card is no exception, with online reports of starting limits exceeding $10,000. One of the best credit cards for regular rewards is the American Express Blue Cash Preferred Card. To start within the first year, this card does not charge an annual fee, and its $95 annual fee is paid from the second year on is easily worth the card. This card needs a decent or outstanding credit score for approval. For Amex Blue Cash, a credit score of 700 plus is required to have good approval chances. Number 2. Chase Freedom Unlimited. It's not the simplest card to get. The Chase Freedom Unlimited, consumers without at least fair credit are almost out of luck, and if you have too many recent new accounts, even excellent credit might not be enough. The Chase Freedom Unlimited card provides a strong sign-up bonus and an outstanding average rate of rewards, including a 1.5% cashback rate on general transactions, making it a perfect starter card for earning Chase Ultimate rewards. A score above 700 is even better and gives you a good chance of acceptance. The most important loyalty points in life are arguably 1. It carries a fair annual fee. It has incentive expense categories for travel and dining. Number 3. Citi Double Cash Card. Citi Double Cash is more than just a reward card, with an ongoing earning rate that is almost twice the industry average. Double Cash makes up for it, assuming you pay your bill in full every month. So for individuals who expect to use it for years, it's a particularly good card. To get accepted for the Citi Double Cash Card 18-month BT deal, you need an excellent credit score. That means that applicants need a 750 or higher credit score for good approval chances. However, merely getting a 750 credit score does not guarantee approval. Receive cashback rewards with this card for any purchase. When you shop, you get an unlimited 1% cashback, plus another 1% back as you pay for those transactions. This card includes a refundable security deposit of $200 plus but has an annual fee of $0. Monthly reporting to the credit bureaus also helps create a credit history. The best Citi card to obtain is the Citi Protected MasterCard since it is the only one. Number 4. Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. The Chase Sapphire Preferred Card is considered one of the best credit cards for beginners, and for good reason. The shipping time of the Chase Sapphire Preferred is normally 10 business days after you are accepted by mail. Chase can speed up the delivery free of charge. You get 2x on travel and dining for a low $95 annual fee, an amazing sign-up bonus, and useful travel benefits such as primary rental car insurance. While no fixed score is needed, we suggest that you have a minimum credit score of 700, clean credit history of 2 years, and an income of at least $30,000 per year. With an annual fee of $95, it ranks as one of the best credit cards with annual fees below $100. This card's highest credit card cap is $100,000. Number 5. Citi Diamond Preferred Card. For people with excellent credit, the Citi Diamond Preferred Card is an elite 0% APR credit card, providing introductory interest rates of 0% for new transactions for 18 months and, as long as you have an excellent credit score, usually a FICO score of 700 or above. you will have a fair chance of accepting the Citi Diamond Preferred card. You should also be apart from your credit score, as these will also influence your eligibility for this card. Diamond Preferred also has an annual fee of $0 to go along with a 3% min, $5 balance transfer fee. Most credit-worthy applicants with stable income should expect credit card credit limits between $3,500 and $7,500. A credit cap of up to or more than $10,000 may be required for high-income applicants with excellent credit. Number 6. Chase Freedom Flex. The Chase Freedom Flex is one of the best non-annual fee cards available today. The Chase Freedom Flex has rotating 5% bonus categories like the original Chase Freedom, but it also offers permanent bonus incentives on travel booked through Chase, dining, and drug stores. Additional benefits of the card, such as trip cancellation and interruption insurance, mobile phone security, and others, provide the card's additional benefits, such as trip cancellation and interruption insurance. This graph from Credit Karma illustrates the credit limits stated by users. The credit score threshold for Chase Freedom Unlimited is 750 plus, or excellent credit. The Freedom Unlimited card with a slightly lower score, such as 700 plus, might be possible to get, particularly if you have a lot of revenue and little debt. So the greater your credit score, the higher your chances of acceptance would be. Number 7. Discover It Student Cashback. Thanks to its $0 annual fee, amazing cashback bonus rate, first-year cashback match, and user-friendly terms, the Discover It Student Cashback is one of the best student credit cards on the market. Discover will automatically match all the cashback you received at the end of your first year. In categories that adjust every 3 months, you can receive 5% cashback on up to $1,500 in spending every quarter. When you trigger 1% back on everything else. Discover It Secured card is intended for individuals that are new to credit, or who are trying to restore their credit, which Discover classifies as those with credit scores below 670. In other words, even though you have bad credit, you should be able to get accepted. The Discover It Secured is one of the market's few secured credit cards providing cashback feature to help you keep track of your credit building or rebuilding trip. You will also get a free FICO score. Number 8. Hilton Honors American Express Card. The American Express card from Hilton Honors is a solid hotel credit card with no annual fee. Generous bonus categories and the welcome bonus make this card a simple way to gain points. The Hilton Honors Amex provides some of the best hotel perks with no annual fee required for a hotel card. Hilton points typically expire after 12 months of inactivity, so this is a reprieve for less active travelers who may not have any stays planned for the. If you find availability at the low end of the redemption range, you can score a free night at a Category 6 or 7 hotel for as little as 30,000 points, so the 75,000 point bonus can certainly get you a 2-night stay if you find availability. The redemption range. Number 9. The Blue Business Plus credit card from American Express. American Express Blue Business Plus credit card includes reasonably lucrative rewards, a flexible credit limit, and a reasonable introductory duration of 0%. It lacks a bonus offer and the travel benefits of several more costly business cards, but there is also no annual charge. This benefit allows you to spend beyond your credit limit and help pay for bigger transactions. The Blue Business Plus provides many advantages that may be particularly beneficial for small businesses, despite being a no annual fee card. Increased buying ability. Amex suggests providing strong purchasing power. You should aim for at least a 670 score. Especially with the current economic situation and many credit card issuers cutting back on approvals, it is better to have a 700+ credit score. The main difference between the two is that the American Express Blue Cash Everyday Card allows you to receive cashback in the form of cash, while the Amex Everyday Credit Card dishes out its rewards as membership rewards points. Number 10. Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards Credit Card. For individuals who either don't spend a lot in any one budget category or choose one reward rate instead of several rates, depending on the purchase, the Capital One Quicksilver Credit Card is a solid option if you are looking for a long introductory 0% APR offer on transactions. It is also a good choice. This card is a flat-rate cashback card, which ensures that everything costs the same cashback. For approval, Capital One Quicksilver requires a good credit score of 700 or higher. Capital One also considers the income and debt of applicants when making decisions about Quicksilver card clearance. There are no special rates or revolving categories of incentives to track, and how much you will earn is not limited. This is a good choice if you choose to hold a single credit card. The Capital One Quicksilver card is approved anywhere in the U.S. It's on the Visa credit card network, meaning it's approved nationally by nearly 11 million merchants. Which credit card did we fail to add in this video? Leave your thoughts in the comments.